Welcome to another Saturday Projects episode. Here on the farm and the ranch, we got broken things. We got to try to fix them. We got grass to cut. We got vehicles to wash. We got shops to clean up. We got a lot of pastures to mow. Follow along.
Alright, these things have worms in them and they're bad for pecan trees. They eat all the leaves, so we're burning their nests right now. As soon as he put the wheel down, it fell off. So that didn't work. Any suggestions?
After being outside in the heat and doing all the things, we're cooked. It's time to rest.
When you buy a slingshot in Pennsylvania and your ride that you went up on stays up there, you have to get somebody to deliver it for you.
Welcome.
We're in Hempstead putting up a Georgia door and gate sign on this fence. So what we're doing here is, we're going to try to find a different spot where we can actually see it better.
So at the end of another Saturday, we got the sign up. All we're waiting on now is for you to call. Just remember this: God is good all the time, and all the time, God is good.